everyone, welcome to Cheers to Life, and today I'm here after a long time to show you an amazing product that I have just received today. So before I go ahead and show you this product, I'd like you to first like and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to hit the bell icon so that you get all the notification about my upcoming videos. And if you still don't know, I'm an area manager with Body Shop at Home, so you can get all your Body Shop products if you're in the UK at cheaper prices than retail and amazing discounts and deals. I have lots of leads running around all the time in my group, and of course you can get loads of freebies if you invite all your friends from UK to my group. To find out more about all of this, you can go to the description below and find the link of my Facebook group and request to join, and you can get all your favorite Body Shop products at amazing discounts. So without further ado, let's get started. Entering into the peak season that is going ahead for the Christmas, Body Shop has released their advent calendars. So these calendars are typically launched in September, around August to September, in order to start discovering new products every week leading to the Christmas. And our advent calendars are hugely popular and highly in demand, and these are extremely limited edition calendars, and we have very limited quantity that gets released every year. So this year we had about 52,000 calendars for the Body Shop at Home, and you wouldn't believe that we have just sold all of them, all the calendars, in just 90 minutes of launch. So the advent calendars was launched on 25th of August at 6 a.m. and by 7:30 a.m. we had sold all the calendars, and we got £3.5 million worth of calendars being sold on that day. That's just mind-blowing, isn't it? Because these are the popularity of these calendars, because they are so amazing to see, use and hold, and an absolutely wonderful gifting option for anybody you want to during the Christmas. And we just had so many orders for these calendars that they just flew away within 1.5 hours. So 90 minutes and all 52,000 was sold. So I'm just going to show you all the three different types of calendars. We basically had three calendars, the Advent, the Beauty Advent and the Ultimate Advent calendars. So they were differently priced, and I'm going to show you each one of them and what the prices are, and what was the contents of the calendar, and how amazing these were. So let's get started with the first calendar. So this is the smallest of all three, and of course in by no means they are small. So this is the size of calendar. Just to give you an idea, it is, I'm just going to put my phone against it, so it is probably double the size of my phone and multiple size times its width, and even wider than my phone. So this is really, I mean, it says small but definitely not a small calendar. It is quite big, and it is shaped in the form of a house and beautiful illustrations of a Christmas tree, purple colored, and it opens like a book. So you can see that there are various numbers, and there are cutouts here which you can open up and explore the products that are inside. To give you an idea, there are 25 products, and you can see the list of the products listed here. And the price of this calendar is just £50, and you get £80 worth of products, which means they're just £2 each. And there are products which are definitely more expensive than £2, because there are about 25 products in there. We have a whole range of shower gels, shampoo, conditioner, body butters, hand creams, lip butters, and bath bubbles. So obviously the hand creams, shower gels, everything is more than £2. They are usually retailing at £3 each. The shampoo conditioners are again at £3 each. The body butters are £6 each. If you can get them for £2, wow, that's a bargain, isn't it? Look at the thickness of each calendar. They are quite thick, and it actually becomes bigger and better as you go to the next size of these calendars. And it's got a very beautiful color on it and very easy to handle. I would have loved to open the calendar up and see, but this is again still available for buying. You can contact me and buy this calendar. I have just one of them available to go away, and this is the calendar. So this will be £50 plus postage, how much ever it is going to be. So let me know if you want this calendar. I can get them to you. It is available only for the UK. So that's the first one. Now we will go on to the big advent calendar. This is by far my favorite because it looks absolutely gorgeous. The color is amazing. The way it opens up is like a magnetic gift box, and all of them are shaped in the form of a house and open like a book. And that's just I love books, and I love very small illustrations and beautiful pictures, and every box has beautiful designs and illustrations and very tiny messages on them that are so beautiful to read. So let's take a look at the second advent calendar. It's quite heavy, as you can see, and of course really big, really big. Let me show you how it looks. It is not able to even fit in this screen size because it's really huge and quite heavy too. You can see that it has a magnetic opening and it opens like a book. I wanted to show you the design on this. All of them have Christmas trees, but it's so beautifully colored, designed and decorated, and these string lights are so real to look at. There is a very nice shimmery glass which is embedded into it. I wouldn't say embedded, I think it's in the background, and it's really beautiful and looks very real. So I'm just going to open the calendar up, and you have very nice illustrations on this side too, and a lot of boxes on this side. So this is how big the calendar is, and you have 25 boxes here, and every box has a product. Most of them are full-size products. I think all of them are full-size products if I'm not wrong, and they are beautifully put into different shapes that look so nice, and you can just pull it out and check them. So I will show you one or two products out of this. It's quite heavy, so I'm just going to take a minute to look at it. So let's check out a particular product. I'm taking out product number 19, and it has cute messages on each side. It says female homelessness is on the rise, be an activist and campaign to make your local council do more for the helpless women. That's so beautiful to write, isn't it? So I'm just going to open it up and see what's in. There is a British Rose shower gel. It's a mini version of the British Rose shower gel. If you haven't used the British Rose, you must. These are organically grown roses, hand harvested, and they are from Britain, and they are one of the most popular ranges that I usually sell. So let's look at something else. Let's look at product number 25. I'm trying to get it out. It's a little hard. It's so beautifully designed and placed that it's not very easy to get them out without taking out another. This is a small silicone packet to absorb the moisture, and a full size body butter. almond milk and honey body butter inside the 25th box. Let's take a look at few more boxes. So I'm going to open box number 24. Right. It's a flat box. Volunteer to help your local soup kitchen prepare for Christmas Day. I'm actually wondering how to open it. It seems to be a little tricky, so probably I'll go with another product, because if somebody wants to buy it, I do not want to open it. This is product number 12 and it has a very nice English card. Put a present under the tree at your local homeless shelter. And again, this has a full size bottle of a chamomile eye makeup remover. So this is a makeup remover that is there inside this box. What else do we want to see? What else? I will take out another box. This looks like a milk carton, right? It is box number 10. Again, it has a mini pink grapefruit shower gel. That's absolutely beautiful. It's so wonderful to discover products that are there in each of these boxes, and I can share with you what is the list of products which is there. And this has a global helping initiative, and the golden papers that are actually stuck in this are shimmery and it looks very, very festive. So, another look at this beautiful calendar. It's really huge, really huge. So let's go to the ultimate one. The ultimate calendar is a little shorter in height but double the thickness of what we saw. This is the ultimate calendar. You can look at the thickness. It's double the thickness of both of the calendars that we saw earlier. Again, it opens like a box. Very nice book, and the design is an amazing green, purple and red. It's so beautiful to look at. I'm just going to try to open the box. And this has products on both the sides. So I think all of these are full-size products, and you have them on both the sides, and you can just pick out boxes and check them out what these products are. And this product is already sold. One of my dear customers has got the ultimate calendar, so I'm not going to open it up and show any products out of it, but to actually read out what is there. There is a full size shampoo, conditioner, 2 shower gels, 1 banana bath blend, eye makeup remover, 1 body butter, 1 body yogurt, a vitamin E face wash, Himalayan charcoal expert mask, a vitamin C face mist, Himalayan charcoal again face wash. There's a vitamin E moisture cream which can be used by all skin types, and pink grapefruit hand cream, drops of youth concentrate. A serum is in there, and that itself is about 26 pounds. 2 sheet masks, and another mask, mini mask, and of course 2 lip butters, a mascara and a lip liquid. It has the entire collection from bath and body to hair care to skin care to makeup. So this is an entire collection to just grab. This costs about 130 pounds and it has products worth 226. So that's a huge bargain, isn't it? The advent calendar, the big one, the red one, in fact was 70 pounds and it has products worth 143 pounds. So that's more than 50% off. So all the products are over 50% off and you can absolutely get these products at a bargain. So I still have the purple one and red one to be grabbed if anybody wants it, but the ultimate one is already sold out. So it's so exciting to share these advent calendars with all of you because they just arrived some time ago. And but you should always try to grab a calendar because these are amazing gifting options. You can take out individual boxes out of them and gift it to your friends and family, or you can use it as party return gifts or any birthday party gifts or favor gifts. Any of them can be repurposed, and these boxes are so beautiful that you can fill them up with your own products that you have and want to customize it as you like. So yeah, these are the advent calendars. I'm super excited to show them all to you, and hope you enjoyed watching these calendars. And do let me know if you need any of them again. Please find the link to my Facebook group in the description below and let me know if you need any Body Shop products. I do skincare consultation, so you can get your absolutely amazing skin routine freely customized for me, and you can see that the skin routine is amazingly working well because my skin is absolutely glowing. So yeah, have a really happy weekend and the rest of the day, and see you soon. Bye. Please like my channel Cheers to Life and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also ring the bell to keep yourself updated with all the upcoming videos on this channel. See you soon. Goodbye.